this is Eric from Universal Parks News Today. We're here at the Helios Grand Hotel. We have a theme park view room. We're here in room 430 today. Join me for a tour. I'm gonna widen up this shot just so we see everything. There's a nice mirror and a little light fixture here in the entryway. And here, as we walk in, you have a closet, in this case on the right. I kind of like this color scheme, by the way. This might look black to you. It's actually navy blue and gold. It's like a dark navy blue and gold. The light's a little yellow, so. There's the closet. So I find this closet to be a little small, but here you go. You have the spare bedding. There's an iron, looks like some network cabling up there. Place to hang stuff. When I said it's small, like I had trouble fitting my backpack in here. Obviously I could take that out. There's a little bump out here. I'm not sure every closet is this small, but you can see there's a little bit of a recessed area. There is a room safe for everyone here. Looks like they didn't get that resi enclosure closed in time on all the networking gear. All right. This is open for previews, open earlier than their original grand opening date. So you can tell there's a flurry of them trying to finish things. This room looks substantially completed though. We're in pretty good shape. All right, here's the bathroom. Now, one interesting thing here is that there's cutouts in the mirror where these lights are. That's kind of cool. And your makeup mirror here that comes out. Gold and marble accents. Or marble and gold accents, I guess. Little vanity here. Towels are in these drawers. These are nice, soft, fluffy towels. Hair dryer. Ooh, what do we have over here? Storage. And more storage on that one. There's a little bath mat. And here, let's check out the shower and commode. Now, if you watch a lot of our videos, especially over on WDW News Today, Tom is a big fan of toilet art in the toilet room. We don't have any to share here. Very clean and neat look. Towel hook, and these are on like a rolling pipe, kind of a barn door look. Very large shower. Nice tiles here. Single shower head. You do turn it on all the way across the shower. Give you some time to warm it up so you don't get hit by cold water, I guess, when you turn it on. And look at this Julian Farrell. That's body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in the pumps right there. Little seat in the shower is nice. Now let's go back out here, shall we? All right, so as we enter, you see this does have the capability to have adjoining rooms. It's kind of standard, I guess. Pan through, a large TV on the wall. If I had to guess, that's 55, 65 inches. Kind of an interesting light fixture there. And a singular padded headboard that spans the entire length of the room for these two queen beds. kind of fuzzy, shiny stuff. Someone that knows textiles better than me can tell you in the comments what that is. You see we have these reading lights on both sides of the bed, which are really handy. This side of the bed has nowhere, like you saw at the Contemporary in the redo. If you watched a video we posted on our WDW News Today channel the other day, there was power next to this sleeping position. There doesn't appear to be anything here. There is power all the way down near the foot of the bed. No USB port over there, but then if you go towards the center, whoever's sleeping in the center, closest to the center gets, there's USB-A, there's USB-C, there's regular electrical outlets. You have your reading light, obviously, and this nice upholstered padded headboard. And here's our little iPad. Let's see what we can figure out with this, huh? What can we do on this iPad? Can we do anything? I'm sure there's something we can do. When I swipe up, it just goes away. When I swipe left, it should swipe up. There we go. There are other apps. Oh boy. Always allow. I don't care. What's this star? There's the room's under Jason's name. Dear Jason Diffendahl, there's a little welcoming and there's a get started. And this is kind of like an app. You can make requests here. You can book things. You can get information, resources, your folio. Let's see what kind of media we have on here. There's guest media. Of course we want that, right? Connect your mobile device to your television. Well, I'm not going to do that right now. You get the idea. It's pretty high tech. Connect. No messages from the desk. Information about the different dining locations, room service, etc. in here. All right. Go over here and you have a little coffee station, some drawers, storage. I assume this is a drink cooler. Yeah, some people get mad if you call it a refrigerator, but this does seem like a refrigerator. It seems like it can get pretty cold. Probably not freeze. And just more drawers for your stuff. Got a little coffee machine. Close this. Some coffee already for you. Over here, some water. They let you know that if you want some water, it's $8, but it's there for you if you want it. Real glassware, not everybody's doing that these days. And what I saw someone say was, it's too hard to keep the glassware clean and make sure it's clean, and they don't like the idea of the housekeeping staff just wiping down a glass with Pledge and calling it good. There's a little ice bucket, old school phone, more USB-A and USB-C over here by the phone, and a lamp. A little information for you. All right, here's our first art piece. I'm not sure exactly what I'm looking at. There's some hanging chads and a picture behind it, I guess. Maybe someone's playing Connect 4. I'm not sure. One of you artistic people can probably tell me. All right, we have a little table with one chair. I assume you can pull this one over and have a coffee together or whatever, and then a floor lamp, these nice drapes, and of course, the reason people are here, Epic Universe. The first previews for annual pass holders start tomorrow. So right now, these are team member previews still. And the park will be opening to the public about a month. Right now, we're in that preview stage. You can see they're still doing some work down there on the roof. This is, I can't get a view of the pool here. There's a water feature and a statue of Helios, the god of the sun, down there. Really a great view. You can see over here, ignore the sewage treatment plant over there, but there we have Stardust Racers and some of these other attractions that everyone's so excited for. The entrance to the park is off in the distance. You can see all the way to Terra Nova and Stella Luna. And in the distance is a hotel, I don't know. I'm going to zoom in there because I think it's interesting. I think this hotel looks the most like Helios Grand in Orlando, and it's within sight. That's the Rose in Shingle Creek. It's a little bigger than this one. I think we have about 500 rooms here. I'm sure they're bigger because it's a big convention destination. Anyway, just a spectacular view. And at nighttime when that fountain show goes off, this is going to be stunning. Celestial Park, just a great view from here. And that's why you're here, right? For that access to the park and to live that kind of theme park fantasy. So I'll zoom back out. There's the room from the other angle. This is open now. Today's the first day they're letting us stay here. So today is April 16th, 2025. Let us know what you think in the comments. If there's more you'd like to see. I guess there's the carpet. I can just show the carpet. All right. Yeah, if there's more you'd like to see, just let us know. We'll see you next time on Universal Parks News Today.